back to the Jet Set Show. We are having a dinner right now at the area of Markala. So we are trying the new dish, which is Pal Porota.
Pal Porota. Pal Porota.
Pal Porota.
Oh yeah. This is Lebanese shawarma. What the fuck, man? Covered with aluminium foil, paper, banana leaf. Oh, chicken inside. Parada chetu tu? Oh, super. It's a new item here in Kerala.
Pal Porota chicken.
Pal Porota chicken. If you come here, please visit this hotel, restaurant here in Varkala town.
Cabin Arabia.
Yeah, Cabin Arabia. And try this.
Must try it.
యాక్చువల్లీ 3 layers పరోటా, పైన కింద పరోటా ఉంటుంది, పైన గ్రేవీ ఉంటుంది, దాని మీద పరోటా, దాని మీద గ్రేవీ, మళ్ళీ దాని మీద పరోటా.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.